वेलकम टू लवली स्पीक्स चैनल। आज मैं डिस्कस करूंगी, इंटरव्यू में बहुत क्वेश्चन पूछे जा रहे हैं। व्हाट इज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, व्हाट इज मशीन लर्निंग। तो ये सब क्यों पूछा जा रहा है? क्योंकि जैसे आप पोंग गेम में देखे थे, जो भी सेकंड प्लेयर होता है वो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस खेल रहा होता है। कोई दूसरा प्लेयर नहीं रहता है, एक आप रहते हैं और एक दूसरा प्लेयर एआई रहता है। ओके, सो ये क्वेश्चन पूछे जा रहे हैं, बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। क्योंकि रोबोट आजकल क्या यूज कर रहा है, रोबोट कैसे बन रहा है एआई का यूज करके। सो व्हाट इज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस? AI is study of how computer do things which computer do better. Okay, जैसे कोई ह्यूमन कुछ कर रहा है, वैसा ही काम कैसे हम कंप्यूटर रोबोटिक्स से करवा सके, इसके लिए एआई का बहुत यूज हो रहा है। मतलब एआई क्या है? एक मशीन प्लस ह्यूमन इंटेलिजेंस का वर्क कर रहा है। जैसे आप कोई वर्क कर रहे हैं तो आप लगातार करते करते वो वर्क में कुछ प्रॉब्लम भी हो जाता है, कुछ गलती हो जाती है, कुछ आप लोग ह्यूमन का वो है, कुछ देर के बाद वो टायर्ड हो जाते हैं। बट इन एआई व्हाट हैपन, it is machine and it will work according to how program algorithm it had given. Okay, so AI can use a machine to work as human. AI is made up of two words. What is that? Artificial and intelligence. What is artificial? It is man-made, not made by nature. And what is intelligence? Intelligence is nothing but power of thinking. So, for machine, we are giving power of thinking, and for what? For doing some specific task. Like you can see some driverless cars had came, through which uses so many, like you can see Cortana, Google Assistant. These are used of artificial intelligence. So reasons of boost on AI is software or device can be made to solve real-time problems. Whatever problems we have, they can be solved easily using robots. They may also ask about, do you know Sophia? Sophia is first humanoid robot. It has got citizen. So you can see about Sophia also. They may ask, do you know about first humanoid robots? Okay. So what it do? It solve real time problems of man. Creation of virtual assistants. For example, you can see your Google. What they do, if you will say to set an alarm on whatever time, it will set alarm for you. Okay, whatever song you want to listen, when you will say to it, it will play for you. Okay, so Cortana, Google Assistant, they are using virtual assistants for you. Robots development. Many robots are now doing operations, like they are founding whether cancer is in which stage. Whatever man can't do efficiently, robots are doing it very well. So goals of AI: replication of human intelligence. Whatever human have intelligence, they provide it to machine and machine works for you. Solving problems. Big problems are now solving by robots very easily. Wherever human can't go, they sent one machine. Okay, so building a machine that can do human intelligent task. So whatever you play in ludo, chess, automated car driving, second player is what? AI is playing with you with full intelligence. So many times they only will win because they are using very useful algorithms. That so computer search engines or voice or handwriting recognition. In mobile you can see your face recognized. Whatever password you are using otherwise you can use your voice recognition. So these all are features of AI. So artificial intelligence is the ability of a digital computer or computer controlled robot to perform tasks commonly associated with intelligent beings, characteristics of humans, in that whatever characteristics humans have, that robots or machines using AI also have, such as the ability to reason or learn from past experience. What is past experience? Like you can see, whenever one machine is not having own algorithm, then they will learn from past experience. Okay, like human body do, whatever we have experienced from past, we perform according to that. So what is machine learning? This is the second question being asked in interview. What is machine learning? So machine learning is field of study that gives computers the capability to learn without being explicitly programmed. So in AI we explicitly programmed for something, like we write their programs, algorithms to work for something, for a specific task. But what machine learning does, it is capability, it have capability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Whatever they have past experience or using AI methods, it worked according to that. Machine learning can be explained as automating and improving the learning process of computers. So, in machine learning, what they did, they do learning process by own. Machines learns by own. Okay, based on their experiences without being actually programmed. Okay, so by using experience, they actually experience and then learn from themselves without any human assistance. So the process starts with feeding good quality data and then training our machines. What is computer? Okay, by building machine learning models using the data. So you can say whatever features of machine learning. Talking about online shopping, you can see, whenever you search for one online shopping, any cloth specific, then whenever you will go on Facebook, Twitter, Insta, or any social media, they will show you that specific cloth. Okay, buy this is for this offer, take this. Okay, so behind this, AI and machine learning is working. There are millions of users with an unlimited range of interests with respects to different brands, colors, price range, and many more. So, what this online shopping behind AI uses, they tend to search for a number of products. Okay, so searching of a product frequently will make buyers Facebook web pages. Okay, search engine. What is search engine? It shows whatever you want to buy. Okay, so it will show according to that. Like in Google, if you will type one word for any song, like any song you want to search, you will type one word and it will show full line. So what is this? This is search engine function. Okay, whenever you want one answer, for example, you want what is white hat junior, just you will write white hat, it will show all data about it. Okay, so what is function of this? Using search engine, AI, machine learning, it is happening. Or that online store start recommending or showing offers on that particular product. Okay, so there is no one sitting over there to code such tasks for each and every user. People can't do for every user. Okay, so there is machine like AI, ML. Okay, they are using work for that, so they are completely automatic. Here ML, that is machine learning, plays its role. You all might have used Google Photos. Okay, In Google Photos, what happen if any one person picks up, they will say that this person having these many pictures, they will collect in one box. Okay, so it recognizes faces. Google Lens, what it is doing, any text you will type of any pages, it will scan that text. Okay, where the machine learning image text recognition model can extract text from the images you feed in. Okay, any image you put there, they will scan text from there. Gmail, which categories Gmail, email, it is either social or promotion. You can see in Gmail what it is doing, it is collecting all different mail and categorizing in social, promotions, updates. Okay, so these all are done by machine learning. So you can say that all whatever machine learning is doing in healthcare, also machine learning is doing a fabulous job. What it is doing, researchers and scientists have prepared models to train machines for detecting cancers. Okay, which stage cancer it is, if you will put there one cell, it will automatically identify what all defects are there. Okay, so taken a lot of time for human, it this task to do, it take lot of time, but for machine it is doing in very small period. So cancer accuracy it is giving. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any doubt, please comment and please subscribe my channel.